Buck up. It's time to move out. I'm not afraid. I'll never be.
Get ready. Today is not gonna be easy.
Introducing your champion.
You know what I look like. Come find me.
I'm the jump master. Follow me. I say we land here.
Go land there, baby.
Get ready. Moving out.
Hello, hello, where you from, bro?
Hey, baby, how's it going?
You a Smurf, bro?
Quick, be ready.
I love you all the time, bro.
No, I know you're Smurfing, bro.
We're gonna win.
My abilities aren't working. Put a lead down ring. I'm hit. Reloading. Move down.
Yo, I got fucking gang break.
Reload. Enemy down. Reload.
Yo, what?
Reloading. Enemy down. Deploying headshot.
Need to
Yo, I
recharge my
really love
shields.
the thing.
Reloading.
Thanks, bro.
Give me a sec. Recharging shield.
Recharging my shields. Extra supplies over here.
Opening fire. I downed an enemy.
Recharging my shields.
Healing. Getting shot at. Give it in the chimney. Phasing.
Don't use my ability.
Reloading.
Enemy down.
Healing. Watch my back. Patching myself up.
Reloading. Enemy taken out.
Good job.
Headstone if you need it.
Getting my shield to recharge.
Recharging my shield. Evo shield here.
The
Level
bloodhound
2.
of the purple ship. Don't know
Cancel
where
that.
he is.
Yeah, man, I down all of them, man.
Firing. Reloading.
Where, bro, where, bro?
Hostile. Danger close. Body shield here. Level 4.
Lobos. Oh, sorry, God, I had a Lobo.
Extra supplies over here.
Overhead.
Reloading.
Lobo, still full.
Reloading. Last one down and a boom boom. Pass me that shit.
Contact. Give my shield to recharge.
Yeah, I would like some shields. Shield
Gonna
cells?
hop up here. Turbo charger.
We're inside the ring. Got the positional advantage. Shield cell here. Let's reposition. Stay. Give me a sec. Recharging shield.
Evo shield here. Level 2.
Fire shield. Recharging
Loot
level
box
4.
backpack here. Level 2.
Care package incoming. Y'all earned this. Just watch your bags.
Hang on, I'm crafting.
I've heard all the stories on this one. Mysteries are mysteries. Cover me. Crafting. Crafting, but keeping focus. The champion made a poor choice.
Someone took my battery, man.
Cocky, they're getting sloppy.
Listen up, I'm
Battery
calling
makes
a
money, big,
lifeline
big.
package in. Body shield here. Level 4.
Got an Evo shield here. Level 3. I need it.
Got an extended light mag here. Level 2.
Extended light magazine here. Level 3. I could use that. Ammo up.
Let's go this way.
Light ammo here.
Let's explore this way.
Solid copy.
Extended heavy mag here.
I
Level
can use
3.
that.
Target spotted. Enemy spotted.
We should fuck
Target
your
over
ass.
there.
You Australian, bro?
Yeah, bro. I'm Australian.
Shield
What about
battery
you,
here.
man?
Singaporean, man.
Hey, your servers are better than Australians.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Yeah, man.
You like kangaroos, bro?
Yeah, man. I eat them.
What do you mean? What, you eat them?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, are they delicious? What do they taste like?
You can eat them just by buying it. What do you mean?
Do they taste like chicken, pork, or beef?
They just like chicken. Yeah, what you said. Tastes like chicken.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Wait, both of you
You're so
Australians?
confused, bro. Huh?
Both of you are Australians?
Yeah.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Go to enemy spotted.
Already on my mark.
One down, one down.
Enemy died.
One down, one down.
That's mine. Bro, where are they?
Reloading. Enemy taken out.
Oh,
Not bad, shooter.
Don't even know.
There's more, man, there's more, man. Was the Bangalore out yours?
Pardon?
Was the Bangalore out yours?
Yeah, the old mine.
Oh, I thought it was theirs.
You got ultimate accelerant. I would like that.
Are you smurfing, bro?
No, bro.
No, we're not smurfing. We're completely new to this game.
1 minute.
Don't lie,
Rings
bro.
nearby.
No, we're
I'm
not
not,
lying.
bro. I'm dead as not lying. We actually fucking new. We just started playing this season.
Yeah, that.
And how are you so good
I
already?
already got 20 wins.
What do you play before Apex?
Rings not too far.
What do you
45
play
left.
before Apex?
We played
Like-
COD. Call of Duty.
Call of Duty.
Oh, Warzone?
Yeah, Warzone.
I used to play that too, man.
Apex
Yeah.
is better, bro.
Apex is better, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Warzone depression.
Half of one.
Warzone just like makes you cry.
Yeah, there's too many hackers, man, and the guns are just too broken.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is true.
Yeah. Especially the LMG.
We got some extra supplies.
Oh, there's a
Wow, what the-
new gun also, right?
Kind of Smurf.
The new gun.
Yeah, the new gun, the LMG, yeah. Overpowered. I think it is still, I don't know. But yeah.
Here's your birthday present.
Good work. We're inside the next ring.
I sent you guys a friend request, bro.
We're better at the game.
Body shield here. Extended light backpack here.
Extended
Level
light
4.
mag here. Level
Backpack
3.
here. Level 3.
You just got god loot in that one game package.
Yeah, man.
Round 3. Beginning ring countdown.
Good work. We're inside the next ring.
Attention. Delivering replicator.
Eyes up. Incoming replicator.
You wanna get the package or no? Could be a grabber.
Don't touch the fucking Kraber. No, it's not even a Kraber, it's a Prowler, never mind.
Bro, give me the very well, bro.
It's a Prowler, it's a Prowler.
How do you know?
Because it's less squads, and we always get Prowlers in these, in like, when there's like 5 squads left. Kraber comes in the first
New
care
kill
package.
leader. Go on,
Oh,
watch out.
really? I didn't know that. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm learning new things too.
Watch too many streamers.
Who do you watch, man? TSM Imperial How? RPR?
Yeah, I watch ASU, that TF7 people, and
It's you, it's Timmy.
I watch Shiv too, and then it's Timmy, yeah.
Yo, Shiv is the best. What do you guys
Yeah,
talking about?
Shiv's good, Shiv's good. He's really good. Best Bangalore main, Shiv's best Bangalore.
We should be safe here, man.
Yeah, we can't. I got the Prowler, boys.
Let's go.
See, I was right, wasn't I?
Oh,
Two
top
other
3.
squads left. Stay focused. Still anyone's game.
Alright, when we're here fighting, we run to it, cause yeah.
Oh, plus
Yeah,
4
man. Let's go
RP,
third party,
hey,
man. Third party legends.
That'd be
Third
fat.
party's the best, dude.
Yeah, this is called Apex third party legend.
Yeah, bro.
Stop wall jumping, bro. You're so try hard. Watching movement guides and everything on YouTube.
Oh, what the fuck?
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
Yo, can you tap straight?
Say
Nah,
what?
I don't know how to do
We're
it.
all inside this ring. Looks like a care package is
you, bro.
coming in. Big things in that.
Yeah, it's cause I don't bind my jump key or W key to my mouse.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. That's true.
Yeah,
that's
that's true.
Yeah, you know how to do it then. Yeah. Weird. Like it takes like a long
Come
time to
on,
get
guys.
used
What
to
do
it.
you mean? It's
Up
easy to get
scroll
used
wheel.
to it.
Up scroll wheel W. That shit.
Yeah,
weird.
man. I use the scroll wheel for weapons switching.
Yeah. Down scroll is weapons for me. Then up scroll is W.
Yeah, I use my mouse now, bro, for striking. It's hard to remember 1 and 2. That shit's so annoying, though.
Hostile. Might be something good this way. Never mind.
There's one guy there, man.
You're gonna get
Say
slapped,
one.
bro.
We're all in enemy over there. Let's go.
Yeah, we should
this
go there.
way.
We should go there. Or should we stay here?
Yo, let's go up there.
Yeah. Yeah.
How about we stay and keep the circle, man? Cause they have to run through the open area for us.
You guys, you can stay there and beam them while I beam them.
I'll
from here.
raid portal when we need to move, alright? So it'll be easier
Yeah.
for you to rotate.
I'll beam them from this side then.
Yeah, I'll use
Okay,
the raid
sure.
portal when we better rotate. I'll stay here with.
Yeah, I wanna die.
Just camp in the corner, bro.
Might be
They-
something good
They,
this
they
way.
can they can
what
come from
camping
here. They
style?
still can come from here.
Forget that. Enemy spotted.
Oh, there.
Hostile spotted. Enemy over there.
I can bang out ult when we need, anyways.
Oh, there. They just open the
Target over
crate.
there. I'm spotted.
Oh.
Taking fire.
Yeah, you gotta
They
Recharge
sniping,
be
Recharging
man.
my
boosting as well.
shields.
The last 2 teams, they could be boosting.
Hostile over there.
Last team might be a solo.
Yeah, okay, they're coming to me, by the way.
Enemy over there.
He's single guy though. One guy.
No, there's another team here.
Hostile over there.
Maybe the boosters or the 14 man.
Got a live
They
one
run
up
into
there.
you on
Maybe it's 4 people.
the you know driveway. That's what
Rolling
it
in
is.
a lifeline package.
Enemy
No, there's
spotted.
actually there's more. They're waiting.
Enemy over there. We're all inside the
Yo, another golden shot.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
Can you come here? Can you come here?
Good effect on target.
He has a red shield.
Yep.
Oh,
Where are they
switch
exactly?
the gold shields. We know the rich red shield to the end. Switch the gold shield. It'd be the best option, to be honest.
Hostile
Yo,
spotted.
how did they boost you?
Reloading.
Down one.
Hostile spotted. Hostile right here.
Enemy down. Just giving my shields.
Last squad. They're here, man.
Enemy down. More enemies down.
Last guy.
Contact the target.
Last one, man. Inside.
Contact.
Last guy.
Got him.
I would have kicked your ass even without metal legs.
Last guy. Below, man. Nice one, guys. Nice one.
I'm gonna add you, man.
Took out the kill leader. Robbed him and dropped him.
You don't know good people again.
Good job, boys. Good job.
You are the Apex Champions.
and never got to be diamond.
Oh, we got carried. She rode the carried, bro.